There are 11 things such a waste of money. First, unplanned shopping for clothes. How many of us going window shopping or shopping online impulsively when you just go to the shop, look around, and yes, buying things without thinking, without planning, especially clothes. Same when you are bored or clicking online and instantly order as they are trending, on sale or temporary emotion. Don't be ashamed. We all do in different occasions. I now open my wardrobe and see dresses or jeans with all the name tags on. I ask myself how much money did I waste on these clothes and never wear them even just once. I could have used this money to save and invest rather than both unused clothes. So unplanned shopping wastes money as you overspend on items you don't wear, don't need, or use one. Here how to fix. Shop with a list or goal. Looking at your wardrobe before buying and apply a 24-hour rule before making fashion purchases. Second, bank fees and ATM charges. It does not make sense when you are paying fees to access your own money, such as ATM charge, monthly maintenance fee, or overdraft penalties. It's a wasting cash unnecessary. It's waste money because you are giving money to the banks for services that should be free. If you are falling into this, here how to fix. Switch to a no-fee bank or credit union. Set up account alert to avoid overdraft and use only ATM in your bank's network. Number 3. Designer furniture. Especially when you move to the new apartment or house, you want new or design furniture to make your place look great. It's nothing wrong with that. But paying for brand name or designer items is not equal with your happiness. If you pay for a higher price or expensive items, same quality with other brands, it's a waste of money. You pay more for marketing and branding than functions or durability. How to fix it? Focus on quality material and timeless design from reputable but reasonably priced retailers, or explore refurbished or vintage pieces. Number 4. Overspending on car accessories. In my previous video, 12 things I stopped buying to save and invest more, I mentioned you should not buy a new car or expensive car. If you want to know more in detail, you can watch the videos, the links in the description below. Not only new car costs you more money for insurance, registrations, or changing parts, but also you are overspending on car accessories such as flashy LED lights, seat curve, dash cam. These additions rarely increase your car value but add you more cost on top of paying on the compulsory expenses. Why is it waste money? Most of these are just cosmetic decorations and don't enhance the performance, safety, or utility. Here how to fix it. Prioritize practical upgrades such as masts or phone mounts and avoid impulse purchases. Number 5. Credit card interest. Unless you use your credit card responsibly to pay for expenses and pay off at the end of the month to avoid late payment interest, you shouldn't use credit card. The reason is carrying a balance and only making minimum repayments means you are likely paying 20 to 25% interest, which turn a $100 dining into a $150 expenses over time. Why is waste money? You pay extra for things you already consume or use. Here how to fix it. Pay off your balance monthly. Transfer to a 0% interest card or pay it down aggressively. Number 7. Excessive grocery and food delivery fee. As you see, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Hungry Panda promote the convenience deliveries every day, everywhere. Ordering groceries or foods online can be convenient, but the service fee, delivery tips, and inflated prices quietly add up, especially if you do it regularly. It's a waste of money. Why? You are often paying 20 to 40% more than the in-store prices due to owner fees. Here how to fix it. You deliver sparingly or come to pick up when you can, and normally it's quicker than you wait for delivery. Number 8. Keep up with the Joneses. How many times you try to compare ourselves with other people, whether your neighbor, your friends or influencers? You buy a nice handbag, spend money, show up with your friends, and then you see your friends have a nicer bag than you. So trying to make the lifestyle of neighbor or friends leads to buying things to impress others, not because it brings value to you. It's a waste of money because you overspend to project an image instead of living within your means. So here's how to fix it. Define your own version of success, practice contentment, and focus on the long-term goals over short-term validation. Number 9. Meal kit subscription. Meal kits such as HelloFresh or Chef Good offer convenience but at a premium. You are often paying $10 to $15 per meal. Trying to do meal preps at home can save you hundreds of dollars every month. It's a waste of money because you are paying extra for pre-portioned ingredients and packaging. So here how to fix it. Use the meal kits to learn how to cook, then transition to blending your own meals with the cheaper ingredients from the local stores. If you want to see how you do task stacking to save time on meal reps, watch another video. The links in the description below. Number 10. Daily takeout or coffee. You say only $5 a coffee. It doesn't cost much until it adds up to over $1,300 a year. The same goes for regular takeout lunches. So it's a waste of money because frequent small purchases have a big cumulative impact. Here how to fix it. Make coffee at home and batch cook meals for the week. Save the restaurant visit for special occasions. Number 11. Buy the newest phone every year. Manufacturers make new phones annually, but the upgrades are often minor, especially when your current phone are still working fine. Why is it a waste of money? You are paying the top dollar for features you may not need or notice. Here how to fix it. Upgrade only when your phone is no longer supported or functioning well. Consider buying refurbished model for significant savings. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch my next one. It will surprise you. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.